Hey, well, I could do with a new pair of socks. How? Maybe I should go in. Do you know what? I think I will. Here goes nothing.
Sorry. I just thought it was appropriate. Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Oh my!
Oh, hello. You're a fawn.
No, yes, I am.
Who are you?
You want me?
What are you?
I don't know. What are you?
I am the Queen of Hernia.